safe at home. This week we've got some sensory art you can do at home, and you can be really creative and experiment with different colours, different glitter, sequins, beads, whatever you want, put some textures in there, and it's just really simple and really effective, nice sensory thing to do at home, so I hope you enjoy that. So all you need is a Ziploc plastic bag, make sure it's one that seals really well, some oil, can be any oil, vegetable oil, sunflower oil, baby oil, some water, some food colouring, any colour you want, or you can experiment mixing different colours, and some glitter or some sequins or beads or anything like that. So you get your bag, and you literally just pour some oil in. You don't need too much really, just a sort of good splash, about that much oil. And then you get some food colouring, and you just put a few drops of food colouring in it, and a little bit of glitter, and then just a splash of water. You hardly need any water at all, literally just a little splash, and then you seal it up, making sure you try and get as much air out of the bag as possible. And then you put it down, and you can put it on the table, and you can play with it and see all the colours. It's a bit like a lava lamp, but in a bag, and it's a great fun activity. So I hope you enjoy making, and we'd love to see all your art and anything you've been making and creating at home. Stay safe, bye!